This video demonstrates operating modes for the LiftMaster Industrial D.C. commercial door trolley and hoist style operators models JDC, JHDC, and TDC. These products are not for residential use. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. To access the menus, press and hold the down arrow and stop button until the LCD goes blank, then release. Select System Settings and press Enter. Use the up and down arrows to type in your administrator password, pressing Enter after you reach the desired number each time. Press Enter again to confirm and be taken into System Settings. Once in System Settings, use the down arrow to select Operation Mode. Press Enter. The operator is programmed to function at one of 4 operating modes. They are B2 mode, B2T, B2TS, C2 mode. C2 mode is your out-of-the-box default. It works with buttons on wall controller, wired 3-button wall controller, and 3-button transmitter, momentary to open, stop, and constant pressure to close. Works with single-button control and single-button transmitter, momentary to open, stop, and reverse. Works without a monitored entrapment protection device learned, but can operate if a monitored entrapment protection device is learned and connected for downward movement. Monitored entrapment protection device activation will reverse the door to its open limit. An activated monitored entrapment protection device can be overridden with 5 seconds of constant pressure on the wall control close button. B2 mode works with buttons on wall controller, MyQ facility, wired 3-button wall controller, and 3-button transmitter, momentary to open, stop, and close. Works with single-button control and single-button transmitter, momentary to open, stop, close, and stop and reverse. A monitored entrapment protection device is required to be connected for downward movement. Monitored entrapment protection device is auto-learned or manually configured through the wall control menu. A monitored entrapment protection device activation will reverse the door to its open limit. An activated monitored entrapment protection device can be overridden with 5 seconds of constant pressure on the wall control close button. Timer to close is available in B2 mode with 2 settings. The user can select a desired timer to close (TTC) timer under the Timers menu. In B2, the car dealer feature is available. The car dealer input, typically a treadle switch, loop detector, or motion sensor, will open the door to mid-stop, and TTC will be enabled. Repeated car dealer input will not open the door beyond the mid-stop and will reset the TTC timer. TTC can be set either to one-time close or timer secure. B2T one-time close. After the TTC timer elapses, operator will close the door. TTC timer will be active at the open limit or at a defined mid-stop. The close button immediately closes the door. The stop button cancels the TTC for that cycle, no automatic motion. The open button resets the TTC timer. TTC will be disabled if the door reverses from an obstruction. Timer defeat input will stop the TTC timer. B2TS timer secure. After TTC timer elapses, operator will close door. TTC timer will be active anywhere above close limit. The close button immediately closes the door. The stop button resets the TTC timer. Held button will pause, release will reset. The open button resets the TTC timer. LMEP activation resets the timer. TTC will be enabled after monitored entrapment protection device activation reverses the door to its open limit. The controller will make infinite attempts to close the door until it reaches close limit. Timer defeat input will stop the TTC timer. Select the operating mode that best fits your use case and press Enter to confirm. Press and hold up and enter to exit programming. You will now see your selected mode on the home screen. For more detailed descriptions of different operating modes and their use cases, see page 35 of the installation manual. Visit support.partner.liftmaster.com to learn more about how to get the most out of LiftMaster products with MyQ Facility.